Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to change the sound output of your Samsung Smart TV. So this video is going to become particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have your Samsung Smart TV here, but you just got a new sound system to it. How do you actually go ahead and change the sound output so that it connects to your new stereo, like what you see right over here? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to do this is that you're first going to grab your Samsung Smart TV remote, and then you're going to click on the home icon, and then from here you want to scroll to the left to where it says settings. Over here you want to click on sound, and then you're going to click on sound output. So notice how for my sound output I have a variety of different speakers or outbound sound. So I have the TV speaker, I have my stereos, and then I also have this optical stereo as well. From here, you would simply just select the correct sound output that you want to have being played. So with that being said, guys, that right there is how to change your sound output on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.